In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bounced check in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through this together step by step so your books stay accurate and your open invoices reflect what's really going on. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the Customers section. Depending on your version, this might be labeled as Sales, then Customers. From there, you want to choose the option called Receive Payment. This is where QuickBooks keeps track of money that has come in from your customers, including the check that later bounced. Next, you'll need to find the original payment transaction that bounced. This is the payment you previously recorded when you first received the check. Use the customer's name, the date, or the amount to help you locate it. Take a moment to make sure you're opening the correct payment, because the steps you're about to take will reverse this specific transaction and reopen the related invoice. Once you've opened that original payment, look toward the top of the screen for a button labeled Record Bounced Check. Go ahead and click that. This button is designed specifically to handle non-sufficient funds situations, so you don't have to manually undo and recreate multiple transactions. A window will pop up called Manage Bounce Check. This is where you'll enter the details of what actually happened at the bank. Start by entering the date the check bounced. This is usually the date your bank notified you that the funds were not available. Then, if your bank charged you a fee for the bounced check, enter that amount in the bank fee field. You'll also see a place to enter any fee you want to charge your customer for the bounced check. This could be the same as the bank fee, more, or even zero, depending on your policy. Take a moment to review these amounts carefully, because QuickBooks will use them to create the necessary adjusting entries. When everything looks correct, click Next. QuickBooks will process the information and show you what it's going to do behind the scenes, such as reopening the original invoice and adding any fees. If the details look right, click Finish. This final step records the bounced check, puts the invoice back into an unpaid status, and adds any fees so they appear properly on your customer's account and your financial reports. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you keep your records clean and make sure your accounts accurately reflect that the payment didn't go through.